Now the question arises why we need to do imputations or data imputation. So missing data is the data that is not available or not recorded in the observations. Missing data need not be always capital NaN, that's NaN value. It can be string such as null or not available and forward slash a, or just simple minus triple line, or just a question mark etc etc. Okay, so that's what a missing value, a missing data does not be always a NaN value. It could be null or not available also. Okay, so now the question arises why we need to do data imputations. So imputing missing values is important because of the following reasons. The first one is to complete data analysis. Many statistical and machine learning techniques require complete data to provide accurate and reliable results. If data with missing values is used in analysis or modeling without imputation, it may result in biased or incomplete results. Imputing missing values allows for a more complete analysis of the data. Second, most important one, that's a retaining information. Missing values can contain important information, and imputing them helps retain that information. By filling in missing values, we can prevent loss of valuable data that may be needed for analysis or mainly for decision making. Decision making in when it comes to the business data is very important. So that's why this is very important even for the retaining information. Then we have the third one, that's preserving sample size. So missing values can be reduce the sample size of a data set, so which can result in loss of statistical power and reduced generalizability of results. So imputing missing values helps retain the original sample size, which can lead to more robust and reliable analysis. So the fourth one here is maintaining data distribution. Missing values can introduce bias into the distribution of the data. Imputing missing values can help maintain the original distribution of the data, so which is important for a certain statistical methods that assume a certain data distribution. Fifth one, ensuring data compatibility. In some cases, missing values need to be imputed to ensure compatibility with other data or analysis methods. For example, some machine learning algorithms require complete data to function properly, and imputing missing values can make the data compatible with such algorithms. And the sixth one is data reporting and visualization. Data reporting and visualization. So imputing missing values also can also be important for data reporting and visualization purposes. Presenting data with missing values can be misleading and may not provide an accurate representation of the data. So imputing missing value allows for more accurate and meaningful data reporting and visualization. So overall, data imputation is necessary to address the issue of missing values in a data set and ensure that the data is complete, reliable, and suitable for analysis or modeling purposes. However, it is important to choose appropriate imputation techniques based on the characteristics of the data. This is what we'll be looking at. it's important to choose appropriate imputation techniques based on the characteristics of the data and the specific requirements of the analysis or modeling task.